Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm gonna guide you on how to download my preset or XML file from any video on my channel. Just scroll down to the pinned comment under the video or check the description box where you'll find the XML link. Alternatively, you can also grab it from my Telegram channel using the same link. Once you've found it, simply click on the link and it'll direct you straight to Chrome for the download process. Follow my steps carefully as there's a 3-step verification process to complete. Find the timer and wait for 15 seconds for verification. After 15 seconds, scroll down and click Continue to proceed. If you encounter any pop-up ads, simply refresh the page and they'll disappear. Repeat this process 2 more times. After completing the verification process 3 times, it will redirect you to this page. Once here, wait for another 5 seconds. Avoid clicking on any fake download links. Scroll down until you find the Get Link button, then click on it. If you encounter any ads, simply refresh the page and your file will be ready for download. Before we wrap up, just a quick reminder, if you run into any hiccups along the way, feel free to drop me a message or reach out to anyone in our Telegram community channel. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for both our community and main channels to stay in the loop. And I'll catch you in the next one.